Will's a yeller. Hi, Bug. What are you doing?
Wait.
Bulldozer? Look at you crawl. What are you playing with there, Tyler?
God dying.
A what?
Look. Choo-choo.
It's not a choo-choo train, silly. What is that?
Bulldozer.
Bulldozer. Very cool.
Choo-choo train.
Not a choo-choo train.
Choo-choo.
Where is Thomas? Where's your Thomas?
Right there.
No, that's a fire truck Will has. That's not a Thomas.
It's coming.
I don't know. Where's Thomas?
Coming. Let go. Oh, that one.
Your brother can play with that. Where's Thomas?
Please, I'll have it. Thank you.
Let Will play with that block and you play with others.
Yeah. Oh. There we go. Look. I'm playing.
You can play. You can both play.
Okay. And yellow.
Yellow. Very good.
Green, blue, green, white, yellow, yellow.
Your brother's so silly, making so much noise.
Noise! What noise?
Yeah, he's making noise.
Noise. One. One. Two. Three.
Here's one. What color is this?
Blue.
No. This isn't blue. What color is that?
Blue.
It's not blue. Your shirt's blue. That's red.
Wait.
Like a fire truck.
Look. Look.
Where'd it go?
No.
Are you hiding it?
I had this.
Is that where you hide the chicken and the pig?
No.
No.
It's this.
Where is it? There it is!
Yeah.
Oh, you're so silly.
Oh, that one. Thank you.
No problem.
It's this.
Hey, Tyler.
What?
Is your birthday next weekend?
Yeah, right in.
How old are you going to be?
2.
You're going to be 2?
No, 2.
Sorry, 2. Can you show me how many fingers that is?
2.
Hi, Will. God bless you. Are you making a yellow wall?
Yellow. Yellow.
And a red wall?
Yellow.
How many are there? Can you count again?
2, 3, 4.
1, 2.
No.
No. Can you count for Mommy?
No.
Why not?
No.
It's not very nice. I think Will likes blocks too.